Hi everyone, this is Sarah from China. Today please allow me to talk about our factory matters. Our factory is located in Dongguan City, about 3,000 square meters. We have 50 workers and 122 machines. This matters is our specialty and advantage products. We have an independent professional production line for matters separately. In fact, we can did a lot of items like leopard pins, keychains, bottle opener, frame, metal frame, cufflinks, body jewelry. These kinds of metal, a lot of charms, metal items. Our machine can work. But in recent 2 years, we have a breakthrough course on these sport matters. These sport matters from quality, cost, and production time get great improved. Let me show you about these matters. For example, zinc alloy material from this one matter include all design information. Complicated colors, front, back, and side. The side is very smooth. It's very smooth. Heavy. It's very good quality. It's heavy. So these colors sometimes our matters have more than 20 colors in one small matter. The matter then have so many more complicated colors. We can work perfectly by our automatic machine. The automatic machine can improve greatly about the working efficiency. We can save a lot of cost. So we plan to share the extra profits to support our clients. Welcome to connect with us about your design. Anything matter gives. I just want to public our sport matters is our great advantage. It's different with other factories in China. We can work quickly. Production time is around 15 days. If you have urgent order, you can call me. 10 days we can work out. In fact, 7 to 10 days is okay. You can see that this is also very beautiful. This is Wonderland. Sport matters. Need to be mentioned that all these matters, registration is open. You can log in our partner and good client website. GIFT is Singapore partner. This is website is for this beautiful and wonderful matters. His design is best. This website www.worldvirtualrace.com. This is registration is opening for these beautiful matters. If you want to motivate yourself, don't miss this beautiful and wonderful matters. It's amazing. If you want to learn more about metal production and our story, our factory stories and cooperation, you can visit our website www.hcraftpins.com. You can contact with me directly. It's okay. Thank you. See you next time. Bye.